Hi everyone, today in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can go live on TikTok. So open up the TikTok, and first thing is first, you must have 1,000 followers on your profile, and also your profile age must be 18 years or 19 years old. So after that you guys are able to send gifts and go live. All right, so as you guys can see that I don't have a lot of follower, only 2 follower on my TikTok account. Yeah, if you go ahead and tap on this plus icon on your normal account, just like I am doing here, so you will only get this post and create option. You are not able to go live directly. So to be able to go live, first you need to have 1,000 followers. All right, so if you guys have 1,000 followers, you should see something like this. So this is the screenshot that I have captured. So you can see that it will show you some features. So as soon as you hit on this live button, you guys are live on TikTok, and it's that simple to go live on TikTok. So just you need to have is 1,000 followers. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.